All right, guys, so to do this homework, you're going to need to open up Desmos. In Khan Academy, this is for the quadratic word problems homework. Khan Academy will give you an equation. The equation in this example for this stone problem is h of x equals negative 5x squared plus 10x plus 15. We are going to change the h of x to be a y so that Desmos understands. So y equals negative 5x squared, so I'm typing in my Desmos, plus 10x plus 15. Make sure you got all your numbers and all your signs correct. And you can see that Desmos has plotted the graph for me here. So I'm going to zoom in a bit. I'm going to go to the home. And I'm going to do a few things here. I am going to label my axes. So I need to go back over and figure out what the x and y variables were for. So if I head over to my Khan Academy window, it says that the variable x was for seconds, x seconds, and seconds are how we measure time. So the x-axis is time measured in seconds. So I'm going to type that in. And the y variable is the stone's height. So the stone's height, so I'm going to type that in, and that's measured in meters above the water. I'm going to click it into projector mode so it makes it easy to see. And since height will not be a negative number unless we go below the water, and time cannot be a negative number unless we're time traveling backwards, we can put the origin point 0, 0 in the bottom left corner to keep just our positive quadrant up here. So now this curve represents the path the stone takes in time and its height. And the question asks me, how many seconds after being thrown will the stone hit the water? Well, the water level is at a height of 0, so along the x-axis here. And if I click this point right here at the water level, that's the point where the stone will hit the water after it's been thrown. And you can see that it's been going to hit the water 3 seconds. So I come back over here to Khan Academy and I can put my answer in of 3 seconds. And I'm correct. I can also find, for example, the maximum height. In this case, the maximum height would be 20 meters after 1 second. I could also find the height that the stone was thrown from. In this case, that would be 15 meters. So use Desmos. I know when you watch the Khan Academy video, it's going to show you how to answer these questions using a bunch of algebra. But for our class, you can solve these problems using Desmos. Good luck with the homework.